Hey guys, I'm Richard Beck with Beck Tools. In this video, I'm gonna save you a ton of money, time, and risk. Guess how? So, I have a Langmuir Systems Crossfire Pro. Now, there are a lot of options for power supplies for this machine. Hypertherm makes a really amazing cutter. But what I can vouch for is the Everlast Power Plasma 82i. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I am achieving crazy results with this inexpensive plasma cutter. And I don't even have a refrigerated dryer. I don't have expensive consumables. I mean, I'll show you, okay? Here we go. All right, I'll make sure I keep it on camera this whole time. Right off the table. Let's go take this over to the bench. We'll show you exactly how accurate this part is. All right, so here we go. All I'm going to do is wipe it with a paper towel, flip it over, wipe it with a paper towel. I have one little piece of slag right on the hole there. So, look at that. Stands up straight. Let's get you guys in line. See how that perfectly straight up and down that thing stands? Look at that cut. Beautiful cut. That's the back side, the ugly side. Or is it? Can you even tell which side? And I haven't done anything. This is straight off the machine. Now, look how round that hole is. Let me get a precision shoulder bolt. Look at that. Perfect. I mean, look how perfect that hole is. It doesn't fall off. It's just snug enough. I can turn the bolt. Now will it focus? Talking perfection. I could hit that with you see that little bit of slag right there. That would be easy to knock off with a file or just a sander. But you can see, yeah. So, once again, do you need an expensive plasma power source? No, you don't. The Everlast Power Plasma 82i absolutely kills it, guys. Look at that. Beautiful cut. That's the back side. Front side. Look how round that hole is. Once again, check this out. Let's bring it down. Let's get real close so you can see. Look at that. See how straight that is? no bevel, 1/4 inch thick. I mean, the proof is right there. So, you guys are gonna wanna know what my feeds are, my speeds are, all that. It's gonna be in the description of the video, along with a affiliate code, because I am an Everlast affiliate. And if you wanna help out this channel and reward me for bringing this amazing knowledge that you can save a ton of money, you don't need a $6,000 plasma cutter power source. You can use the Power Plasma 82i, and you can achieve results like this, okay? Sounds crazy, but it is possible, and I've just shown you exactly that it is possible. So, for the air pressure, amperage, all that, it's all in the description of this video. If you have any other questions, let me know. If you are in need of a magnetic breakaway, check this out. I forgot to mention that. This is the actual product I sell. So you want to change your consumables? No problem. You want lasers? No problem. Go to becktools.com for that stuff. That's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.